Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by making a sturdy crust. Pulse 10 Oz graham crackers to fine crumbs, mix with 5 tablespoons melted butter and 2 tablespoons sugar, then press evenly into a 9-inch springform pan, building a slight lip. Chill the crust 30 minutes while you prepare the filling to prevent layers from mixing. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees F and position a rack in the center for even baking. This prevents the top from cracking and ensures even set of cheesecake layers. For the filling, beat 32 Oz full-fat cream cheese until smooth, add 1 cup sugar, then blend in 1 cup sour cream, 2 tsp vanilla, and 3 large eggs one at a time, mixing only until combined. Divide the batter evenly into 6 bowls. Tint each bowl with 2 to 4 drops of concentrated gel food coloring to achieve vivid hues, and briefly stir to avoid overworking. Pour each color gently into the center of the pan, using a spoon to form concentric rings, creating rainbow layers without mixing. Then tap lightly to release air. Place the springform pan into a shallow water bath and bake at 325 degrees F for 55 to 65 minutes. The edges should be set, while the center still jiggles slightly when nudged. Turn off the oven, crack the door, and let the cheesecake cool inside for 1 hour to reduce cracking. Then remove and chill in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight for best texture and clean slices. To serve, release the springform. Run a hot knife around the edge between cuts, and top slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.